Python and Mitsubishi PLC Communication Part 2. Hi, this video show how to use Python built-in graphical user interface tkinter for implementing read and write data to Mitsubishi PLC. First part of video is to demonstrate the tkinter window created with Python program. Now we see the program code on the screen. After click Run Module, the tkinter window will pop up. Here, we can see values of PLC data D100 to D102. For writing data, left-click on the display value that we want to write. Upon clicking, the entry box, Write and Cancel buttons will appear. Write the value in the entry box, and click Write button. Click Cancel button when decide not to write. We will do first testing. Write values in PLC, and check the display values in tkinter window. Second testing is to write data in tkinter window and check the values in PLC. Now back in the program code, and we'll do some highlight of the code. 1. tkinter window setup and label display wordings. Two. Input for write value data. The cancel button function is to hide label display, entry, and 2 buttons. When the write button is click, write input_d function will be executed. The value in input entry box is convert into integer value and store as write value data. Also, write data request bit turn on, it will trigger the write data PLC function in latter part of the program. 3. Labels for display data value. The label has bind functions with one indicate the left-click action is to select the data for write input value. For PLC connection setup and connect to PLC. Please watch the first video for details if you have not watched it. 5. In the read-write PLC function, first portion is the function for reading the data from PLC, follow up by updating the data values to the label's value display. Second portion is the write PLC word function, execute only if there's a write request. End part is to repeat the function itself in the every 0.5 seconds estimated time. Here is to call the read-write PLC function for the first time. 6. Last part of the program is the close window and main loop function. For recap, here is the program code outline order. The first 3 parts and last one are tkinter program code, while the 4th and 5th parts are PLC program code. When the Python program code is final, we can copy and change the file extension to pyw. With that, we can run the file directly without opening the Python IDLE software. If you can't see the extension, change the setting in Windows folder options, uncheck the hide extension for known file type. Lastly, we can check on the Python PLC connection in PLC Ethernet diagnostics. See in the first connection status, when the program run, is connected, when program close, is disconnected. The end of video. Thanks for watching.